Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Moncrief and I am doing my video over the human digestive system. I'll go ahead and start. Let's see. So there is 4 processes of eating food. It's broken down into 4 stages. The first stage is ingestion. Ingestion is the process of eating food, drinking, or taking any other substance into the body by swallowing it. The second stage is digestion, which is the process of breaking down food into small molecules that the body can absorb. Digestion is broken down into 2 phases: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion starts right as you are chewing your food and it is mixed with saliva. When the saliva mixes with your food, it breaks down into smaller molecules, which is when chemical digestion occurs. As the food reaches your stomach, mechanical digestion continues when the strong muscle contractions mix with your food. Pepsin then breaks down proteins and the food finally makes its way to the small intestines. The third stage in the process of eating food is absorption. After the food particles have been broken down, the cells in the lining of the small intestine absorb the nutrients. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. The nutrients then cross into the intestinal lining into the bloodstream. Blood then carries the nutrients to the body tissue where they are stored or used for energy. And the last stage of eating food is going to be elimination. This is where undigested material, fiber, and dead cells pass out of the system. And then that completes the 4 stages of eating food. And then we'll go ahead and look further into the digestive system. Digestion begins as soon as the food is in your oral cavity. This is where we ingest food and break it down into smaller pieces using our teeth. The food then stimulates the salivary glands, which lubricates and softens the food, making it easier for us to swallow. Once you begin to swallow, your brain signals the muscles of the esophagus and peristalsis begins. Peristalsis is a series of wave-like muscle contractions that move food to different processing stations in the digestive tract. After swallowing, the food then continues to digest, and then it goes to your stomach. So this right here just shows peristalsis. It's a series of involuntary wave-like muscle contractions which move the food along the digestive tract, and you can see where it's just where the waves are, and the food travels in down here, and then it just continues down right here. So your stomach. The stomach muscles then mix the food and liquid with gastric juice. As this is happening, your stomach muscles contract every 20 seconds, which mix the food with pepsin. The stomach then slowly empties its contents into it's called chyme when it empties its contents, and then it empties it into the small intestines. And then this is your stomach, of course, and then this green stuff, I don't know if you can see very well, but that's the gastric juices. It's the acid and pepsin, and then this is just the food particles right there. And then your small intestine. The muscles of the small intestine will mix the food with digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. These muscles then push the mixture down for further digestion. The small intestine absorbs water and the nutrients into your bloodstream, and the waste products then move into your large intestine. So, another important part of the digestive system is the liver. It actually plays a very important role. The intestines contain little capillaries that connect to a vein which lead to the hepatic portal vein. This vein transports blood to the liver, giving the liver first access to the nutrients in your intestines. The liver processes the blood and breaks down the nutrients. The liver also detoxifies other substances that are absorbed before it reaches the rest of the body. So this right here is the portal vein I was telling you about, and you can see where it goes into the stomach, and then it sends it into the liver, and your liver gets the nutrients it needs and sends it to the rest of the body. So looking further into the large intestine. The large intestine then absorbs the remaining water as the remaining pieces of food material move through the large intestine. It is mixed with bacteria and mucus and formed into feces for temporary storage in the rectum right here before elimination. So again, this is your large intestine, and then this is the small intestines, and then that's basically it for the digestive system. And of course, you know what happens at the end. Last, I've got my references right there. I'll move it a little closer. Hopefully you guys can see that. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.